Enrolling in TIIFS Vashi has been a game changer for my fashion design career. The teachers of TIIFS are very hardworking and very cooperative. They teach us new silhouettes and new techniques. And in this, the curriculum of TIIFS Vashi covers all the aspects of fashion design, from sketching to garment construction. And they have taken us to industrial visits also. They help us to become an entrepreneur, and they have given us so many workshops to enhance our designs. And I highly recommend TIIFS Vashi for the fashion design students who want to complete their dream into reality.